How to verify a LinkedIn account without a passport. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to verify your LinkedIn account without using a passport. So the very first thing you want to do is of course open up your LinkedIn application, but ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. Log in into your account. Now account verification on LinkedIn does not only have passport, so all I have to do is head into your profile page. Now once you're on your profile page, all I have to do is to tap on add verification badge. And then in here, all you have to do is to choose on verify with persona. Now, once it is successfully downloaded on your phone, but before anything else, you won't be able to do this via the web version of LinkedIn because it is only supported via the mobile application. Now, once downloading is finished, all you have to do from the verification process, it's instead of using passport, you can go ahead and choose on any physical ID that you do have on your end. You're just gonna make sure that it's gonna be accurate and will match on the profile that you're using. And that is how you verify a LinkedIn account without a passport.